This is my report about electrical machines. Electrical machines are very important devices that help convert energy from one form to another. From what I understand, they work because of the interaction between electricity and magnetism. Without magnetic field, electrical machines would not function. The two most common type of electrical machines are motors and generators. A motor changes electrical energy into mechanical energy, which means it produces movements. A generator does not opposite it, change mechanical energy into electrical energy. Part of an electric motor. Stator. The stator is the stationary, not moving part of the motor. It produces a magnetic field. It is usually made of iron cores and windings coils of wire. Rotor. The rotor is the rotating part inside the motor. It turns when the magnetic field from the stator interacts with it. This rotation produces mechanical motion. Windings, coils, made of copper wire. When electricity passes through it, create a magnetic field found at the stator or both. Rotor. Shaft, connected to the rotor, transfer the rotational motion to a mechanical like a fan, pump, or conveyor. Bearings, support the shaft, reduce friction during rotation. Commutator, used in DC motor, reverses the current direction to keep the rotor spinning. Brushes, made of carbon, transferring electrical current to the rotating commutator. The stator is the stationary part. It surrounds the rotor and creates the magnetic field needed for the machine to operate. Even though it does not move, it plays a very important role because it supports the magnetic interaction. The coils, which are made of copper wire, are responsible for producing magnetic fields. When electricity flows through them, this magnetic field interact with each other, causes moving or electricity production. What I learned is that the basic idea behind electrical machines is based on electromagnetic principles discovered by scientists like Michael Faraday. His discovery showed that electricity and magnetism are connected, and this principle is still used in modern machines today. In my understanding, electrical machines are not just classroom topics, they are used in daily life. Electric fan, refrigerator, water pump, and even power plant depend on them. This makes the subject important because it helps us understand how many things around us work. Over electrical machines may look complicated, but their basic principle is simple. Electricity creates magnetism, magnetic creates motion, and motion can also create electricity. Electrical machines are devices that convert energy from electrical to mechanical form, or from mechanical to electrical form. At first, I thought they were just complicated machines used in factories, but after learning about them, I realized they are actually part of our everyday life. The main idea behind electrical machines is the relationship between electricity and magnetism. When electric current flows through a coil of wire, it creates a magnetic field. When magnetic fields interact with each other, they can create motion. This simple principle is the heart of how electrical machines work. The two most common electrical machines are motors and generators. A motor changes electrical energy into movement. For example, electric fans, washing machines, and water pumps are motors. A generator works the opposite way. It converts movement into electrical energy. Power plants use generators to supply electricity to homes and buildings. The important part of electrical machines include the rotor, stator, coil, magnetic core, shaft, bearings, and frame. The rotor is the rotating part of the machine. It is spin inside the stator. When magnetic fields interact, the rotor begins to turn. This turning motion produces mechanical energy into motors or help generate electricity in generators.